Good morning, guys. I'm ready to teach you your phonics lesson for today. What I want you to do now is get out your alphabet strip and let's say the alphabet. Remember, we're going to use one hand for the first half, the left hand for the first half, and the right hand for the second half. Okay, so I'm going to turn so that I have the correct hand pointing to the letters. Let's do our letters. Put your finger on A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now switch hands. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. So if you look at our alphabet, you can see all those letters. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26. 26 is how many letters we have in our alphabet. I see two different colors of letters. I see black letters and red letters. Do you remember what they're called, what the two different letters are called? The red letters are called vowels. Vowels is correct. The black letters are called consonants. Consonants. Please say or sing the song with me. Old MacDonald had a farm. A, E, I, O, U. There's our 5 vowels, and that song helps us remember what our vowels are. The other letters are called consonants. Now, last week we learned the letter L, and L was a consonant. This week we're going to learn a new letter, and you've got to figure out whether it's a vowel or a consonant. I've got something here, and I'm going to have you repeat after me. Say ox. Say otter. Say ostrich. Say olive. Say octopus. Say October. What do all those words have in common? They all start with ah. Ah. So our new sound this week is ah. Do you know what letter says ah? If you said O, you're correct. O is our new letter and ah is our new sound. So when you see our new sound or picture card, you're going to say octopus ah. Can you do that for me? Octopus ah. Very good. So we've got a capital O and a lowercase o. They look the same, don't they? Now one is tall and one is small. I want to show you how to write the letter O. We don't want to start at the very top. We don't want to ever start at the bottom. But our O is a magic C letter. So when we start it, we're going to start a little bit below the top, and we're going to go up, touch the top, around, touch the bottom, and close. Did you see how I did that? That doesn't look like the best O ever, but excuse me just a second. Sorry, my timer went off. Okay, so here's the O. We're going to start it, and it's a magic C letter. So we make a C, and then we close it. And I always say go up, touch the top, around, touch the bottom, and close. And then when you're making a lowercase o, it's just shorter. You go up, touch the middle, around, touch the bottom, and close. Just make sure that when you're practicing those O's, you're starting on the side just below the top. Okay? Practice those on your whiteboard later today so that you can make sure that you are forming them correctly. I want to remind you we have two sounds now. So I want you to say the sound we learned last week. Say lion, ul. And our new sound, say octopus, ah. Very good. Now remember how I say a sound, you repeat the sound, and then you say the letter. We're going to try that today. Ul. So it should have sounded like this. Ul, ul, L. Very good. Let's do ah. Ah. It should have sounded like this. Ah. Ah. Oh. Very good. Let me show you on our worksheet what we need to do. We need to practice writing these two letters that we've learned. On number 1, see the number 1? I want you to write the letter that says ul. Write the letter that says ul. If you said L, you're correct. And we write the capital and the lowercase right now. On number 2, write the letter that says ah. Ah. Very good. It's our new letter. So you're going to make a magic C and close. And then a small one, a magic C and close. Now today you're going to look for the letter O. So you're going to find all the letter O's and put a nice circle around them, just like this. So you find the rest of the O's. I'm going to give you a second. If you need to pause the video to finish finding those O's, go ahead and do so. I have one last thing. We need to talk about rhyming words. Rhyming words end the same. The end of the word is the same in a rhyming word. Listen to these two words. Cat, bat. The end of those words is at. So when you have two words that sound the same at the end, they're rhyming. I want you to listen to these words and tell me with a thumbs up or a thumbs down if they're rhyming or if they don't rhyme. Okay. Hat, pig. They don't rhyme. Log, hat. They don't rhyme. Mop, top. Yes, they do rhyme. Last one. Log, hog. Yes, they do rhyme. Great job, guys. See you tomorrow.